Good day. We are going to talk about the next of the methods we're going to use to solve any given problem as far as differentiation is concerned under calculus. Now today we're going to talk about chain rules. Chain's rule is otherwise known as a function of a function, meaning that assuming we are given that y is equal to f of u of x. Now the derivative of y will give us y prime, which is going to give us f prime of u of x. Just as we have y prime is equal to f prime of u of x, which is going to be the y over du dot du over dx. Dot in further mathematics means multiplication. Therefore, the y over dx will now give us the y over du dot du over dx. This is a solution for the function of a function. Now we have the problems related to that, which we're going to apply this solution to it to find the problem that we are given. Like question 3, differentiate with respect to x using chain's rule, otherwise known as a function of a function. Now A, we have y is equal to open bracket 2x minus 3 close bracket to raise to power 20. When we have this one, some of you may be saying, how are we going to do it? You know, for us to expand this 20 in terms of 20, the power of 20 is going to be much, and apart from that, it's going to make it more complicated. You don't need to bother yourself. Now let's go into applying this particular chain rule to solve it. Solution. We have A, y is equal to open bracket 2x minus 3 close bracket 20. Now we are doing this. First and foremost, we are now going to say let u be equal to what we have inside the bracket, which is 2x minus 3. Then our y has become u raised to power 20. Now we are having two functions now. The first one is u is equal to 2x minus 3, and the second one is now what? Y is equal to u raised to power 20. So we're not going to differentiate them with respect. This one is going to be differentiated with respect to x, while this one is going to be differentiated with respect to u. Then we multiply them together. Now our du over dx is now going to give us 2. Now when you differentiate this one with respect to x, we're going to have 2, while the constant is going to give us 0. Now we have our du, our dy over du. This is going to give us 20 multiplied by u, 20 minus 1. And this will give us, as usual, 2. This will now become dy over du is equal to 20 minus 1. That is going to give us 20u raised to power 19. Now, as we continue, don't forget our chain rule. This says the y over dx is going to give us this. So that is what we're going to apply. So recall that dy over dx is going to give us dy over du dot du over dx. Now our dy over dx will give us what is dy over du from here. Dy over du is a 20 u 19 dot du over dx, which is 20, which is 2. From here, we're having du over dx to be 2. Then our dy over dx will become 2 times 20. That will be 40 u raised to 19. Therefore, our